In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the passcode on any iPad. Now, if you have set a passcode on the lock screen of your iPad and if you want to turn it off, first of all, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down, then tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now, it might say Face ID and Passcode on your iPad. Now, after you tap on it, then just enter your lock screen passcode. Now from here, just look for the option for Turn Off Passcode. Now as you can see, the option to turn off the passcode has been grayed out. Now this is because we have set up Touch ID on our iPad. And if you have set up Face ID or Touch ID, first of all, just remove Touch ID or Face ID. Now just select the fingerprint which you have registered and select Delete Fingerprint. And after you delete all the fingerprints which you have registered, the option to turn off the passcode will not be grayed out. Now just tap on Turn Off Passcode and select Turn Off. Now just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of the Apple ID, then just tap on Done. Now just enter your current passcode one more time, then tap on Done. And select Turn Off and Remove Passcode. Now as you can see, if I go to the lock screen on our iPad, as you can see, we have successfully removed the passcode on the lock screen. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.